Season's greetings, entrepreneurs. A couple of quick reminders, including how to locate all of the details behind our 2022 New Year promotional event. Also, I have how to access the Builderall resource board and another great Builderall member spotlight. Hi, I'm Frankie Menes with the Builderall team, and this is your Builderall weekly update. First, please remember that our affiliate and member meetings will resume back next year, starting Monday, January 3rd, while our ambassador meeting will resume back on Friday, December 31st. Now, please, if you haven't already, remember to mark your calendars for Monday, December 27th, where you can catch our upcoming 2022 New Year's promotional offer. This promotion will run from January 1st through January 10th, 2022. All the details will be shared across our Facebook groups this coming Monday. Remember, the release will include details when you are able to access the affiliate funnel, email swipes, graphics, and videos that you are welcome to use to help support our upcoming promotion. And if you're not familiar with our resource board link, visit our Builderall knowledge base at knowledgebase.builderall.com. From the main page, simply scroll down and click on the resource board link. Here, you'll have a Trello board containing all of the supporting resources for our 2022 New Year promotion. If you go there now, you'll see that we already have some email headers that you can edit inside Canva. More to come. And now, on to our Builderall member spotlight. During a one-on-one sit-down, Terry Stevenson shared her absolute joy when interviewing another great entrepreneur who is also building his business bigger and better with Builderall. But there is something even more special behind this amazing entrepreneur. Just about a year ago, Zef Will Bradley suffered a stroke, leaving him physically challenged, requiring a long and hard journey to recovery. And even with that, Will was ready, willing, and determined. When asked what is one of Will's favorite parts of his whole Builderall experience, Will had this to share. Check it out.
Well, that's very easy.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What is it?
The community.
Oh, boy.
Because the community is everything to me. And when I'm down or it's just too much, it's always someone in the Builderall community that brings me back up, or just a soothing word, or just, hey, just stay in there and you'll get better. And to me, the Builderall community.
Boy, I couldn't agree with you more there.
Today, a year later, Will's strength and determination help overcome his challenges, which led him to launching 3 digital products inside the Builderall marketplace, which include products like an ebook, video, and audio called Social Media Marketing Made Simple. 3 separate products inside the marketplace that are available now. Go check them out. So please, I highly encourage and invite you to take a moment to grab hold of the whole interview by clicking on the link inside this week's blog. And if you want to follow Zef Will Bradley, please find him on Facebook at facebook.com/GUDLUV1. Thank you, Will, for sitting down with Terry and giving myself and the rest of the Builderall community an opportunity to hear and share your story. Thank you, Terry, for a great one-on-one interview. And that's my time. I want to wish everyone a fun-filled holiday weekend or just some good quality time with family, friends, and fur babies. And best of all, have a safe and happy new year. Goodbye, everyone.